Introduction. Success is a habit, sure, but to pick up this habit, you have to have the right mindset. You can force things and hang on to your old mindset while adopting new habits, but these eventually wear off. Successful people do certain things consistently, and that's why they achieve a higher degree of success than most other people. But there's more to it than that. It's not just a matter of doing certain things over and over again given certain circumstances. When you adopt these success habits without changing your mindset, you eventually end up where you began. How come? You built your new habits on a faulty mental foundation. You had the wrong mindset. Your success habits eventually fall apart. You have to make sure that you adopt the right mental foundation from the onset. Your mindset is a combination of your assumptions, expectations, and definitions. Most successful people share a range of mindsets that enable them to maintain their success habits. In fact, they scale these up over time. Don't for a second think that these people were somehow born with these mindsets. They weren't. In fact, many did not even have a clue when they began. Through trial and error and the hard knocks of life, many arrived at their winning mindset. Thankfully, you don't have to go through those heartbreaks and frustrations. You don't have to go through trial and error. You can get a head start by identifying and adopting the mindsets that can lead you to consistent victory. This training teaches you to reprogram yourself for success by adopting 8 key mindsets. Each of these mindsets have their own subset of beliefs. You need to go through these and incorporate them into your life for them to change your results. How does all this work? Mindset changes your beliefs. If you don't have the right mindset, you're going to have certain beliefs that are not going to help you all that much on your road to success. In fact, in many cases, certain limiting beliefs can hold you back and drag you down from the success that you could have otherwise achieved. Your mindset has to lead to the right belief. These beliefs shape your emotional response to the things that are happening around you, your priorities, your values, and your life's direction. That's how important they are. Be mindful of what you choose to believe. The good news, belief is always a choice. It may seem like people were just born believers in the right things. It may appear that some people just have the right belief system as far as success is concerned. These have to come from somewhere. They were chosen. In this training, I'm going to step you through the process of clearing your mind of toxic beliefs and helping you identify and adopt the right mindsets, which can lead you to greater personal success. These mindsets lay the foundation for the success habits you're going to have to adopt to achieve consistent victory in all areas of your life.